My friends were saying me, buy poppers for the weekend. Now I bought poppers.
Okay, people, time to get going. There he is, people. The man, the myth, the legend, and his bike. I'm going to Dollarstore with my friend Martin. People, we are here. How long did it take, Martin?
I think 25 minutes.
And how far are we?
Maybe 5 kilometers or so. Or 6 or 7.
Or 7 or 8. I would say a mile. Yes.
English or Swedish mile?
It's a Swedish mile. And what? You're going to buy something for your boat?
Wax on, wax off.
Okay. And what movie is that?
Kong. No, Karate Kid.
What we found in the store was an outlet. Of course, we had to go there. Martin, you have a problem, haven't you?
It's a lot of choices.
Yeah. So, what are the choices?
Polish and wax and marine wax and marine Polish. Polish and wax, då har man ju båda två egentligen. Och Decor.
Martin is reading on the back. Is that a bottle, or what would you call that? Is it a
You
bottle?
put it like this and then you...
Ah, okay. You buff it.
Yeah, buff it.
Have you decided?
This one.
Yeah. What?
Because it's 2 in 1.
Yeah. Can you say what does it say?
It's Polish,
Yep.
and wax.
Okay. What? Yeah, for your bike.
Yes.
What is it?
It's a lock.
Oh, good. Suddenly, sun. It's time for falafel. People, there was sun and suddenly this. Do you think we'll get caught in the rain? If you like pina colada. People, here we are, the place that will give my life meaning. Oh my God. He started already.
My friends were saying me, buy poppers for the weekend. Now I bought poppers. Weekend party. Jag lägger på den. Jag tar den. Nej, inte så. Nej. Det är det så? Nej.
Ansiktet ska nog ut, Göran.
Vadå?
So put your face through it. Like it's yes, and then yes.
Nej, det är inte. Nej. Men det var inte så att du får upp. Alltså så.
Martin is buying poppers. Party poppers.
Party poppers.
What Martin doesn't know is that he took the wrong cart. That's an empty cart. His cart is still here.
Vad är min då först? Där.
People, you won't believe the amount of things I bought. Did you buy anything?
Yes.
What?
Shampoo,
And?
some candy, some clean things, some poppers.
Yeah, we got poppers. Just as we were getting on our bikes, the rain started, so we're going in again, but this time we're going to visit a bicycle store, pretending to look for things, possibly buy something. It's time to say goodbye to Martin.
Yes.
What will you have remembered from today? What will be the most memorable thing today? If you tell anyone one sentence.
Celebrating spring with a bicycle tour to Kungens Kurva.
That's good. Now with his tail between his legs, off he goes. No driving in the streets. You're supposed to be on this. Oh my God, he's breaking every rule in the book. What a rebel you are.
So long, dearie, dear. Well, he was out of work, just minding his day. Then a friend from said, come right away, I'm moving on. I've got a new plan, but I don't know you'll be perfect. You're the dresser man.